universe. So we're gonna start at the top. He's got a bit of a mop head, he does, just like this. There we go. Give him a bit of a curly clue here, just like that. Bring it on down like that. Looking good. And he's got a bit of a square jaw here, he does. Just like that. I like it. All right, that sounds good. Now what we can do is we can approximate where his belt might be. Let's give it around here. I like this. This looks about right. There we go. Let's give him a belt. And his belt will be about as thick and as it says head there, just like that. And then he's got a big V body, he does, because he's a big old He-Man, he is. Just like this. Big old neck on him. Make a shoulders. Big strong shoulders on him. Round that off like that. There's another shoulder there like that. And we'll have him crossing his arms. So we'll do this. Bring that on up like that. There's his forearm there like that. A big bicep there. And he'll have a cuff there. This is looking nice. Let's bring this arm down here like this. And we'll tuck that on underneath there like that. Bring his other forearm up like that. And there's his other cuff. This is looking really good, everyone. And there's his chest like that. And then what we can do is we can go right up to his shoulder here. And we'll just bring his body down like this. Right like that. This is looking good, everyone. There we go. There's his midsection, and we're going to give He-Man some armor now. Rest like this, like that. And on this side, we're going to go like this and that. This. Bring that up like that. All right, here we go. Another piece of armor there. And then he's got it coming down like this, and that, and there. And he's got a bit of an insignia coming here that we'll color in later. I like it. There we go. Let's not forget some muscles. We never want to forget the stomach muscles. They're the most important. There we go, just like that. I like it. All right, now what we can do is get to the underoos that he likes to wear here. Right, a little bit of a loincloth type. I like it just like that. And then He-Man's got some big old strong legs, he does. Just like this. And then we can do the same over here like this. Bring that down. Just like that. They're like tree trunks, they are. He's so strong. And there's his knee here. And his other knee right about there. Let's not forget his muscles. Just like this. Perfect. Looking really good, everyone. I like it. All right. Now we can draw his calf coming down here like this. And we'll stop it right about there because he's got some woolly boots on, he does. Right around here. Let's get them all shaggy-like here. Just like his loincloth. All right. And now we can continue his boots down here like this. There's his one foot there like that. And his heel, I like it. And then he'll bring down his other foot like this. And this one foot will go off like this just a bit. Oh, I like this. This is good. There we go. It's He-Man, everybody. Now all we have to do is draw some eyebrows here. Bit of a straight nose. Mouth. And some eyes. There we go, everybody. It's He-Man. Let's not forget his sword. Almost forgot He-Man's sword for the Masters of the Universe. Little knobby bit here like that. Oh, I like it. All right, everybody, it's He-Man from the Masters of the Universe. Let's get to the color. He-Man has light skin, blonde hair and belt, gray armor, red insignia, brown boots. Thanks, everyone.